What's up, guys? This is Lester Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to grow a Facebook page. I'm going to show you some of the tips that I've used to grow one of my Facebook pages to over 500,000 followers, and I'm going to show you the best tips that I can provide based on my experience from growing this page on what you can apply to replicate this across many niches on Facebook. And of course, the big question is, why would you grow a Facebook page? What would be the main goal of having lots of followers on Facebook? And the thing is, Facebook is very good at generating traffic. If you have a blog, if you're selling a product or service, Facebook is very powerful when it comes to generating traffic. So today, I want to show you some of the tips that you can apply to your own Facebook page with the goal of growing as fast as possible using both paid advertising and basically organically. Let's jump right into it, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is to show you some of the stats of one of my Facebook pages that has over 500,000. I have a few others with 250,000 followers. I have a few with 10,000, and I have another one with 300,000 as well. As you can see, over the last 7 days, we have reached over 8 million people on Facebook, and we post a lot of content on a daily basis, mostly outsourced content, meaning that we hire other people to post the content, and you can do that once you get to a point where your Facebook page is actually making you money. Over the last 7 days, we have received over 12,000 likes, and as you can see, 14,000 page followers and 4 million views on Facebook over the past 7 days, and as you can see, 1.8 million engagements. Now, the largest amount of followers that we get is from video. So video is a very powerful platform on Facebook. If you can learn how to use video correctly, then you can get as many followers, as many likes as you wish, just by using video. And that's what we've been doing. So I want to show you the last 28 days. Let me go back here. So over the last 28 days, you can see 24,000 likes, 10 million video views, and 4.8 million engagement. Let's go back and actually show you the likes that we'll be getting. And as you can see, we have a total of 531,000 likes so far. Right now, average between 1,000 to 2,000 likes per day, and this is basically, as you can see, the average was 100 and something likes, 200, and then we go back. Usually we have weeks where we get 10,000 likes or more. Some weeks we get on average 300 or 400 likes, and this is basically from just 2 or 3 videos that actually receive over 500,000 views. And as you can see, that method actually works. So what are some of the tips that you can apply to get numbers like this, to grow a Facebook page? And full disclosure, this actually happened in about a year and a few months. It didn't actually happen overnight. We started from scratch. We actually grew the page from 0 to the first 10,000 likes. It took us about 45 days to get there, and then from there we just started generating 30,000 likes or more per month, to a point where we were getting almost 40,000, 50,000 likes in a single month. So this actually happened over time. So if you're wanting to grow a Facebook page fast to numbers between 10,000 to 20,000, it doesn't take a year. You can do that in a month. You can do that in a month and a half or 2 months. It all depends on your audience. So let's go to the actual tips, and these are some of the best advice that I can give you on what I personally use to grow my Facebook pages. And number one, it's a paid promotion. When you're launching a brand new Facebook page that nobody actually knows that it even exists, the best thing that you can do is to not reach out to your friends and family unless you're running a page that's about funny content, entertainment, and things like that. But if you're running growing a Facebook page that's designed to be a niche page around a product or service, or perhaps a blogging Facebook page or news and things like that, then the best thing that you can do is to use paid promotion, which is pay per like. And that's what we did. That's actually what we do with every single new Facebook page that we launch. We actually pay for the first 5,000 likes just to get the ball rolling. So that's exactly what I'm showing here. Initially, it's always a good idea to set up a pay per like campaign to get the ball rolling, meaning that once you get a few thousand likes, and I'll tell you down below why you need to do that, but it'll help you to get people into your page, get some engagement, get some likes, and hopefully help you grow a little bit faster. So aim for at least your first 5,000 likes on Facebook using Facebook ads. And videos work really well when it comes to Facebook ads to get likes. So you can set up on Facebook an actual pay per like campaign with a video where you can ask people to like your page, or you can set up a cool 25-second, 30-second video showing what your page is all about. And if people actually like the video, they'll most likely like your page as well. The next thing we do is we post daily, and we actually post daily content on every single page that we created. And that means having at least 2 to 5 pieces of content every single day, because if you actually let your audience die when you try to post the following day or in 7 days, less and less people will see it because they're not interacting with your content. So my best advice is to post daily as much as you can, maybe 2 to 5 times per day if possible. And I would suggest using a combination of videos and images. Don't try to sell or post links in the beginning. Don't try to post a link to all your blogs at once. Don't try to link to different services or products or Amazon links or any type of product or service that you're trying to sell in the beginning. If your goal is to simply grow your page, then my best advice is just to stick with video and images, because that's going to help you get people to interact, build trust, and hopefully they'll start to like more of your content instead of just trying to sell in the beginning. So my last tip is to use video as much as possible, and this is the true key of what has helped me to grow pages to 500,000 likes or more every single time. Videos actually work really well when it comes to Facebook. You can use your initial influence to reach out to video owners on YouTube, for example, in exchange for exposure to their social media. And this is actually a very good tip that I'm giving you right now, because you can probably find thousands of videos in your niche, videos that only have 10 to 15 views on YouTube. But if you have a page with 5,000 likes and reach out to those people and tell them, hey, I like your video, I would like to share it on my page, it has 5,000 likes, you're gonna get more exposure. We'll post a link to your YouTube channel, to your YouTube video, and that's probably gonna help you get some subscribers, some views. Most likely they're gonna say yes. So we actually implemented this strategy. We actually reached out to a lot of people who had videos with thousands of views to hundreds of thousands of views, but you can only reach out to the big guys with hundreds of thousands of views once you have a large following on Facebook. And you tell them, hey, we're gonna actually promote your video for you. We even are gonna put a link to your YouTube channel, to your Facebook page, to your Instagram, to whatever it is that you want in exchange for letting us post your video on our page. Now, it's not enough to just post other people's videos on your page with their permission. You also have to be creative with that tool. So basically, you'll see that most of the videos that actually go viral on Facebook, they have text, they have some sort of you often see those meme style videos where you can put some text on the top and bottom. And one of the best tools that I found to do this is called watermark.ws. It's a paid tool. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's a website, works online. You don't need to download anything, and basically allows you to put your watermark on your video, and at the same time you can actually you can create a meme using text on the top and bottom. It looks really cool. Really nice, really professional, HD. You can download that video and then you can post it on your Facebook page. And this is how you turn a simple video that's supposed to be funny, a 30-second video. You put some cool text on top, something that grabs people's attention, and that is going to help you go viral on YouTube, on Facebook. We actually have used this technique with thousands of videos, and it has exploded with videos getting millions of views on Facebook. So after you do that, the most difficult part of growing a Facebook page in the beginning is creating or looking for videos. You will have to spend some time on a daily basis to find or create those videos that you want people to actually share and like and comment, to get the ball rolling, to actually start growing organically. You're not going to be able to do it right away. You'll need at least 5,000 likes to be able to get the ball rolling, because once you get those first 5,000 likes, if you hit your first viral video, then that video can reach 100,000 people, and you're gonna get an extra 5,000 likes for free. So if you get the ball rolling, if you understand the power of video on Facebook, you can grow your page as fast as you want. Maybe not to 1 million followers within 6 months, who knows, maybe someone out there has done that, but without having to spend a lot of money in the beginning to get those first 5,000 likes, you can use video to grow over time to thousands and thousands of followers on Facebook. So I hope that these tips are of value to you, that you actually go out there and implement these tips, and hopefully it can help you grow your Facebook page to thousands of followers on your niche. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I'll be uploading a lot more videos in the coming weeks and sharing some tips on Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, and things like that. And hopefully you can learn and apply these techniques for your business.